When you are talking about inheritance planning, what do we mean? We mean that how do we ensure that in the event of death or incapacitation, our legal rights or the legal rights of those who are related to us, how can we preserve those rights? You don't know when you are going to die. You don't know how. You don't know when. Abi? And I have a special gift for you if you know it. Do you know when you are going to die? Do you know where? Do you know how? But are you going to die? Say no. Are you going to die? So, but not now, Abi. Not now, inshallah. So it's a reality. We all know we are going to die, but we don't know when. We don't know how. Somebody visited me, a medical practitioner. He came to ask whether he should take up a job with them at Kefi in Nasarawa State Medical Center, Federal Medical Center, or he should remain in the state where he was. So we discussed at length. When he left, I didn't know that would be the last time I would see him. So he was to travel the other day. He said before he went to Kefi to go and look at the situation there, he should travel to Sokoto to see his wife, who was a student, undergraduate, and his daughter. Along the way, he had an accident and he died. He had the ambition of traveling out to go and study more, to further his study in medicine. That's how he ended his life. Everything about his ambitions, everything ended like that. So, nobody knows what's going to happen to them. But we must be prepared for death. We must be prepared for death. And making preparation for it is pragmatism. It's not a cause that you are going to die very soon or whatever. No, you are being pragmatic. You don't want your children to suffer after you in case you die suddenly. In the past, when you were rich, everybody knew. Because there were no banks to keep or hide your money. Then you have a farmland, everybody sees it. You have this, everybody sees it. But today, some of us here are billionaires and your people may not even know what you have. If you don't have anything written, you don't have any planning, what happens to this money? It goes to others who had not worked for it. But the nearest people to you may not enjoy it. The nearest people to you should have enjoyed it, they may not. Because there's nothing written in respect of the money you have in banks or the shares you have in some companies or whatever. This is why when hadith was quoted now by the Vice President, the Prophet ﷺ said, "Ma haqqu mri'in muslimin la shay'in yusi fi yabitu laylatayn illa wasiyatuhu maktubatun 'inda." It's not proper for anyone who has something to bequeath. You have some wealth. Allah has blessed you with some wealth. You have some things that many people may not even be aware of. It's not proper for you to pass 2 nights without having your will written. It's not proper to pass 2 nights without having your will written. You have to write your will. Some people run away from writing will. Your will is not your obituary. You are not announcing your death just because you are writing a will. Like you are washing the dead body, for example, or you participate in a funeral. Does not mean that you are the next victim of death. You are being pragmatic and you are being reasonable and you are being considerate. You are being considerate and you are being kind. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, لَأَنْ تَذَرَ وَرَثَتَكَ أَغْنِيَا خَيْرٌ مِنْ أَنْ تَذَرَهُمْ عَالَةً يَتَكَفَّفُونَ النَّاسِ. It's better for you to leave those who are going to survive you in wealth. It's better than leaving them in penury, in poverty. Leave them, let them have wealth. Those who are coming behind you. If you don't make proper planning, definitely they won't benefit from this and you won't be able to even fulfill the requirements of this hadith.